Yeah. You in the mix right now with Afro Breezy. 1, 2, 3.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy J. So back again with another
vloggy vlog. Hey.
And we out here. Welcome
we
my boy.
outside,
Welcome my boy
bitch.
CT.
Hey, get your.
I know y'all seen him like 2 vlogs ago at the wedding, but he here officially.
Get your hands clean.
Get your hands clean.
We don't fuck with you if you don't use hand sanitizer.
I already had mine.
Purell, whatever you need.
And
who else is coming? Oh, Jalen, DeAndre.
say hey.
Oh, hey. DeAndre and
DeAndrea.
And get your ass a motherfucking mask. Bitch.
I mean, we good over here. We don't need to wear masks.
Yeah, we
not like that, but like, you know.
When you're around family, you don't gotta wear a mask.
Yeah, we good.
Babe, are you coming with me? Hey.
Oh, you're not talking to me?
I can. Hey.
No, I'm talking. Honestly, baby, I'm kind of drunk.
Okay, that don't mean you can't come with me.
Where's the store?
Down the street. It's literally down the street.
Go with her?
Not really. But I
And
will.
you don't come?
But I will if I have to.
No, he's gonna come because
Okay.
he can come.
Period. You're
This guy.
You're the man. You're not the man. I'm the man too.
Wow, best friend. Okay, you're the best friend.
Y'all seen the code?
But you're her man.
Right,
That
I
trumps.
got her here safely.
That trumps the best friend.
I got her here safely.
Barely.
You got us here.
Nah, y'all want to do some
First of
extra
all, he
shit.
got us here safely.
Y'all want to do some extra
No.
shit. You
Listen, bro.
Best friends do extra.
Bro, listen.
The man gets it done.
Listen, bro.
I got her here. Now you want to do the extra.
Listen, bro. But you.
Wow, you know what?
But
I was
you
only
said
making cookies for you anyway.
exactly. Thank you.
Yeah, you literally.
You said I want cookies. Your girlfriend said I will go to the store.
Team it up on me.
No, it's just the common law. Like
I was gonna
you
go.
said, your girlfriend said I will go and to the store and get you cookies.
That's how it
so you can
works.
cookies.
She gets what she wants eventually.
Eventually.
That's how it is.
At the end of the day, she gonna get what she wants.
Absolutely.
That's how that works.
Absolutely.
I was gonna get in the car regardless.
Thank you, because I just feel like going back. You know she's not gonna stop until you get the car with her.
That's just how that works.
But do you really want cookies? Does she really have to leave and go get cookies?
Yeah, he does serious, to be honest with you.
She said she ain't going no
I
more.
don't even really want that.
Y'all get some back when you get to the house.
When you need Ashton. Man.
Right, where's Ashton?
Cheers.
He would have brought cookies with him.
Man.
Yeah, I
He
knew
would have
that
stopped
happened.
at the Krispy Kreme.
But yeah,
I would have some shit I never had before.
we're here.
Cookie churros.
We're at Desiland.
Fruity
Oreo
Peppers.
churros.
Oreo churro.
Oreo churros.
Yeah, Ashton.
The fruity pebble French toast.
The fruity pebble French toast. You ever had Ashton's fruity pebble French toast?
No, that's a lot. That's like a lot of sugar.
Call him right now.
That's a lot of sugar.
Tell him we at Desiland with a small group. He might slide.
Tell him it ain't that many mouths to feed.
Tell him I give him
I'm
a
gonna stop
dollar.
vlogging.
Thank you guys for coming to our reboot.
Yes,
in LA.
yes.
Our first event was right before the pandemic last year, and we did a speed dating event. And then we decided to take it to the beach and just have people come out and meet. So we appreciate you guys for coming.
Right. I'm standing in one spot.
I can say it. We'll edit that out. This is fine?
Yeah.
Okay, we're not lying.
No, we're not.
But no, thank you guys so much for.
No, I'm gonna move my feet.
Right. Coming. If you guys have just moved to LA, welcome. If you guys have been here for some years, welcome, because this might be my first time, but I just appreciate you all for coming out. And bottoms up.
Yeah. All right, guys. So everybody say what's up.
What's poppin'?
All right, we are signing out. We have been here for some time now. We're gonna chill a little bit more, but this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video.
This will be in my vlog. I mean,
right.
yeah.
Subscribe.
This winter.
Well, if you've seen this, definitely go subscribe to my channel too at Nicole.
Period.
Anybody want to give shout outs? Match made in LA.
Anybody want to give shout outs? Right?
I want to give a shout out to Jesus.
Amen. Ooh.
Yes. Silence. Shout out to all the gangsters and strippers.
Hello, we love those guys. Y'all keep the world going around, baby.
Yeah. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure y'all subscribe to my page. Vibes with Soul.
J.Soul on Instagram. Y'all know the vibes, though. Y'all know what's up. Y'all watching this.
Period. Until next time, be love.
We love you.
Or Amazon Fresh and bake cookies. You can't
Hold on, wait. Pull it up real quick. Be love, most importantly.
We're back.
Like,
Rio.